I've worked here most of my adult life, almost 50 years now, and I've had the good fortune of working with my family, my sisters, and my brother-in-laws as well, and it's been a true pleasure.
When I was in college, I worked in the parts department upstairs when I was 18 to 21, and I painted the Quonset hut at 16, and I mowed the grass next door when I was much younger than that. So I've been here, it's been a while.
I've been here since our mother passed in '99, so I've been here 24 years.
Well, Dad originally bought this property that we're sitting in 1958 or 59.
Mm-hmm.
His offices were next door. Shop was there. Dad was a bridge builder. He built thousands of bridges all across the country. He died prematurely in '77 at the age of 57. That was basically the end of the construction business. The company always took care of their own equipment.
Okay.
The cranes, the dozers,
Sure.
the trucks. I had some buddies I went to high school with that were out North American Van Lines, and they assured me they could send me a lot of business. And they most certainly did. Went out and got Yellow Freight and Mason-Dixon and a bunch of other Class 8 truck operators to bring their trucks in, Genova. And
CRST.
we just kind of diversified from there, didn't we?
Yeah.
Seen a lot of changes over the years with the business. Started out as just repairing trucks and kind of evolved into a commercial truck dealership. Evolved away from Class 8 trucks in the beginning to light and medium duty commercial trucks today, as well as an awful lot of automotive.
My mom built this building in 78.
After your father passed away.
Yeah.
For you guys.
Mm-hmm.
So that's something similar I had. My mom, when my dad passed away, the building in Plymouth, she took a leap of faith and became the landlord, not knowing if I was ever going to make rent or not. Thankfully, most months I have made rent. Your business is more light duty and more medium duty focused than some of our other shops. You mentioned back in the day you were Class 8 and had moved away from that, and I understand why. And one of the things I like about Ruckman is with the proliferation of transit vans Ford made and Mercedes-Benz Sprinters and all those other things, we see a real nice opportunity to grow our business. So I think this is normally, years past, we may not have looked at this opportunity the same way. I'm really anxious to see what we can do with this size of class of vehicles, that class, I guess, let's say 7 through Class 3 or 2 even.
Well, I knew of Wiers International when they were in the truck dealership business. So the name's been around forever.
60 years this year, actually. We're celebrating our 60th anniversary.
Wow,
This
congratulations.
is 50 for Ruckman this year.
50. Oh, that's great.
So yeah.
We didn't want to just sell it. I mean, we get tons of inquiries all the time from people looking to sell the business for us or buy the business from us. We wanted to be selective with who we were going to work with. So not only our employees, but our customers would have someone that we felt would take good care of them. That's what we found in Tom. So got a lot of faith and confidence that he's going to continue to grow the business and take good care of the customers, and that's what was important to us.
We're able to promote Sean internally, who's been a well-regarded and top-notch employee. So it's a great opportunity for Jerome to transition into the next phase of his life, and also for Sean now to move from the technician role into a management role. So that's win-win.
That all made the process that much easier.
I would say this has been an exceptionally smooth acquisition. I mean, sometimes there's more emotion or whatnot. This one, you folks were ready. We were ready, and it's just going fairly smooth. If they could all go this smooth, I would have less gray hair in my beard.
I doubt it.
Fort Wayne is a market that we've always wanted to be in. And just never found the right opportunity. It's a great town, it's a growing town. It's a good market and a real nice opportunity. We're glad to make it over the finish line, if you will.
Well, I'm looking forward to physical fitness. Having time to spend at the Y with doing resistance training and exercise is going to be a real joy to be able to
That's great.
be able to do.
I'm going to spend time with my 3-year-old grandson.
I see a little twinkle in the eye there.
I know, he's the love of my life.
So I'm looking forward to the time with the grandchild and just me time. I don't have any me time, so I'm looking forward to that.
I think another thing that's unique about Ruckman is you don't see 3 siblings working together successfully in most businesses?
You know, I really don't have one favorite memory. I mean, we've had a lot of talented folks that came here and learned their trades working here.
They're all just have always been family. You know, I mean, you know, as rewarding as it is to work with, you know, my brother, sister, and husband and brother. I mean, that's just crazy. But, you know, to care about your employees, that's pretty cool. It just makes it.
And the customers.
And the oh my gosh, yes, of course.
We've had
Yep.
wonderful customers.
Wonderful.
What are you gonna miss the most, Julie?
Seeing you guys every day.
Yeah, but you didn't know I'm coming to your house every day.
Coming over for breakfast.